Imagine this. It's the middle of the night, a pipe bursts, and suddenly there's water everywhere. This isn't just a nightmare, it's a potential reality. But don't fret, there's a solution at hand, and it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Welcome to Lakeshore Restoration LLC, the ultimate ally in emergency water removal and damage restoration. We're not just a service, we're a lifeline when you need it the most. While Manitowoc County sleeps, our crews are always alert, always prepared. An unexpected water leak, a sudden pipe burst, a broken water heater, a failed sump pump, or even a dreaded sewage backup. We've got it all covered. Our highly trained professionals are equipped with the latest technology and are well-versed in the art and science of water damage restoration. We're not just removing water, we're restoring normalcy, one home at a time. Our commitment is unwavering, our precision is uncompromising, and our speed is unparalleled. We strive to minimize the disruption to your life and aim to get things back to normal as swiftly as possible. We understand that water damage doesn't just impact the structure of your home, it also affects the essence of your sanctuary. That's why we ensure the restoration process is thorough and meticulous, leaving no corner unchecked, no damage unrepaired. Remember, water damage waits for no one. It can strike at the most inconvenient time, turning your world upside down, but help is always at hand. Lakeshore Restoration LLC is your round-the-clock guardian against water damage. We are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ready to respond and restore. So, when water wreaks havoc, don't hesitate, don't second guess. Reach out to us immediately at 920-221-1440. Lakeshore Restoration LLC, your trusted partner in emergency water removal and damage restoration. Any day, any hour, we're here for you.